traders, Mike Hamilton from Trade Easy Way. This is one of my favourite charts. I've been trading the pound a lot in recent weeks, and for obvious reasons that's a really nice decent move. So the question is, where is this pound yen going to go next? Should we be selling? Should we be buying? If we should be buying, what level should we be buying? Well, what I'm seeing here is a very nice bullish consolidation. So we've had this run, pull back, this run, pull back, and then we've had 2 or 3 waves to the upside here. So what I'm seeing here is a consolidation pattern. We're flat last week. We are just waiting for this moving average to come back in contact with it. Markets like to find a footing. And what we're doing here is we are seeing a pound yen that is floating and hasn't found a footing yet. Once it finds its footing, I think we're going to get the next wave up. So I have been talking to members in the trading room about preparing to buy a dip in this one. So here we have the 20-day moving average, a simple moving average, just coming underneath it. So we need to come in contact with it. We need to find a piece of ground to push up from. So I'm looking for something around about 950, 970. Now I could be wrong. We could sort of find our footing today and then start pushing above 150. 150 is an obvious place because it's such a big number, but I tend to find that big numbers get over or undershot by normally about 25, 30 pips. So in an ideal world, I'd like to see this undershoot 150, in other words, go down to about 965, 970, and then close above 150 and then continue for the rest of the week on the upside. Alright, so these are the kinds of levels I'm looking at. So how can you trade that? You can trade that in a 15-minute chart. If you get a higher close in a 60-minute chart above these sorts of levels, i.e. 970 or the 150 mark, then there is a good probability, obviously not a certainty, a good probability that that could get the next leg up. Where do I think it's going? Let's just plot this up and then we can see. So I'm looking at the last range. So we've hit the 161 extension at 277. So if we can dip down here, I think we'll at least return to 277, and the 200% mark is probably up here about 156 plus. Okay, so it's a big ask. We are high. When you get high indicators, obviously that decreases the probability, but overall I think this is getting ready for a next leg up, and I think we should be looking for those dips. So that's my trade idea. That's my favorite chart at the moment. Watch out for the next video. Thanks very much. They'll be coming out twice a week. Alright, so watch out for Wednesday. Look forward to seeing you then. Stay tuned. Bye for now.